How to find if someone hide their Instagram story from you. Hey guys, it's me Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. So, first and foremost, what you can do here is you can just open Instagram and tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen, and from here in the search bar, search for the person that you doubt of. Here I'm searching myself for an example. So if you go over here and if you tap on the story section, you will find there is no story at all. So to make sure whether they are hiding or not, what you will do next is you will either log in with your secondary account or you can ask a friend. Here I have asked my friend to see it. Now what we will do here is again we will go and tap on the search bar, and here we will search for the person's username. Right here again I'm searching for myself. Now as you can see there is a story posted right here which implies that this person has definitely hide the story from me, and this is one of the trick that you can do. Hopefully you will give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.